Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna discuss about business and code and introductions to no code app development. A premier or the groundbreaking approaches to software development that's changing the way business engages with their work system and process. Develop content, executive summary, what is no code development, the benefit of no code platform, who uses no code platform, what can you build with no code platform, top industries using no code technologies, is no code right for your business. Executive summary. No, for nearly 2 decades, companies have been decreasing their dependence on the third-party vendors. The total shares of firms spending on pre-packaging vendor software has steadily declined since 1998, and to over 70% of the IT software budget are set aside for creating software in-house or contracting third-party development agency. In fact, business still spend more than $250 billion annual on proprietary software. As an alternative options, many companies are embrace no-code development and methodology that enables software creating that does not require coding. The technology increase the agility of the uh, iterations and modifications of an application's no-code development fuels lean projects with faster times to market, improve productivity, and tremendous cost savings. Uh, in this white paper, we are explored the fundamental concept of the no-code development, the benefit of using no-code platform, what kind of organization are using no-code platforms, and what can you build with a no-code platform. What is no-code development? No-code development is the unique approaches to the software development that enable digital transformations in organizations of all sizes. In layman terms, no-code development is the process of developing apps without writing any codes. SaaS-based no-code platform empower business to create software exponentially faster with the less money than a traditional code-based approach. No-code development projects reach compilations upwards of 10 minutes quicker than traditional coding projects. Traditional software development, process coding, professional coding record software and app are created with specific purpose in mind. Very few people have the skills to create apps using traditional methods. Low-code development, this environment expeditions codings done by the professional coder. Low-code products are flexible to an extent, but are still limited by the availability and skills of development hand. No-code development, no-code platform do not require professional developer resource to create apps. Non-technical business user can create apps specific to their work. The increased access to the unique workplace application. Digital transformations or the process of implementing new technology to solve everyone business challenge is now fundamental for the business survive. Faster time in development app building through traditional software development can take months or even years to launch in today's fast-paced business environment. It's not uncommon for workers to require apps to help solve problem only to leave or transfer roles before the software is complicated. Enhancing productivity. Leading business across all vertical markets are continuously looking to improve productivity. In fact, 60% or less of the work time is actually spent productivity, a recent report of Atlastic found. Empowered workers. Each year, millions of the talent workers leave their jobs because they feel unmotivated, unproductive, or unhappy before boredoms or a lack of purpose is one of the greatest challenges facing the global workforce today. Less IT background. It is not that IT workers are lazy, unknown to work hard. It's quite the opposite. The problem is more than what they are working on. Improve security. Creating app with the customer code can lead to a variety of security issues. App are notoriously difficult to secure with 86% of the test app continues one and the more session management vulnerabilities and 59% have one or more input validity errors. Calendar dates. A date input error can be a nightmare for a project manager. These errors slow down data entry and delay a project. Laser paper-based management. This is also very essential. Paper-based management systems are expensive to administrators, they are also notoriously insecure and incurred because paper can got lost or stolen and must be meticulously filled and tracks. Using no-code platform, even organization is highly regulated industries like healthcare can move or on from paper-based process, replacing tired methods with the smartphones and able to provide easier data entry, more strong immediate access to record and other benefit. Greater mobility in most companies. Bright your own devices is now a basis demand for a worker who want centralized access to take or data over a single device. In fact, according to the Microsoft, 67% of the employee now use personal devices at work, and 87% business are dependent on their employees' ability to access mobile business apps from their smartphone. Improve communication. Mobile apps like WhatsApp, Slacks, and Trello are greater for keeping terms in the loop throughout the day. However, while they are good for message and file sharing, they are less effective for moving projects along the compilation. Reduce OPEX. As we mentioned, apps are expensive. They can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars they require. Starting the new app. Who use no-code platforms. Since the early days of software 1960-70, there has been a clear distinction between software development and the everyone else. The system can create out of the necessary as software development used to be incredibly difficult and time-consuming to the learn and masters. With the onset of a no-code software development is now transitioning to the general workers manage everyone's from custodial teams to C level executive can create and customize app that make their job more effective and impactful. There is a small percentage of highly skilled master coder, yet there are brilliant of the process owner and other non-technical employees who are capable of making apps using no-code platform. Process owners, non-technicals or technicals or technical employees such as project manager who are in positions to spearhead app development. Decision maker, executive who have the visions and power to green knights, no codes app development. In user employees who will benefit from using app on a daily basis. Examples of the worker who benefit from no-code app development. Line operations, manufacturing technicals who oversees complex systems and the machine sales and marketing managers. Employees who manage multiple concurrent projects and the team management. Field managers, utility and construction manager with contributed teams, tight deadlines and the complex inventions. Executive, C-level executive who manage busy travel schedules, daily communication, multiple projects and more. In entrepreneurs, small to medium-sized business owner who oversees their own operation replica and scale business process between side, track, process, and manage customer execution. As you can see, many types of the professional in numerous settings use no-code platform, a concept that makes some people uneasy. Business administrators often want to know why they should trust non-technical employees to create software. No-code platform like AppSheets contains built-in safeguard for app creation. These platforms are simple and declarative in nature so that anyone who knows how to operate software can build app, and also app creations vary level in the complexity. Some training may be needed for advanced projects. However, no code platform do not require much time or expertise to get started. As much of 80% of the business productivity apps can be created using no code platform. A relatively small number of apps like highly advanced medical or scientific software system require expertise code. What can you build with no codes platform? Unlikely industry-specific flags on play management program which confine you to create parameters. No code platforms are complexity open-ended and they yet let you design feature rich app from the existing data source. In other words, no code platform grant great visibilities to app creators and user. These are the different aspects of the no codes, and if we can develop this kind of things we can invent and we can move forward. If you have any question we can move forward. Thank you, bye bye, and take care.